Hey, I got a lathe part to make. I'm going to throw some material in, touch the tools off, and show you what it is.
It's alright, I'm aiming at the sky. I'm looking for a starship to sail me through the night. So girl, won't you be my baby? You know it's driving my crazy. I'm looking for that same song, play me on the deck. You can save the Marvins, I trade you cassettes. Why I'm tryna front like I know about an 8-track. I could write a song for you, girl, would you take that? I swear to be myself and tell you nothing but the truth. The problems that I got will share them between me and you. Hey, what you see is what you get, and I'ma see it through. I'll drill a hole to bring the light in just to see it's you. You got me in the daze. Got me smoking on the purple, no haze. Got me drinking out the bottle, no chase. I think I'm sinking in the bed, but it's okay.
Pushing my problems aside. Baby, won't you tell me it's alright? Cause you know that I've been up all damn night, telling myself it'll be fine. Pushing my problems aside. Baby, won't you tell me it's alright? Cause you know that I've been up all damn night, telling myself it'll be fine.
I got a dirty little secret, but it's locked away. And in a box is where I keep it, cause it's not the day. I caught a wave, no ruffles, and I knew this girl was trouble. But attraction is attraction, it happens in lots of ways, I can't deny. Thinking of her, how I spend my time. What's a penny to a dime? What really gets underlined in the gist of things? I'm too low, I need to get some wings. And even if I had Scooby, this still would be a mystery. I push everything to the side, yeah, I procrastinate. I'm feeling myself without the masturbate. And you could be Wilson like this is Castaway, and we can be together all forever in the astral plane. Yeah, let it be known. If love is a weapon, then this is lethal. Stuck in this position, yeah, I'm veto. I'm seeing you dipping through the
pushing my problems aside. Baby, won't you tell me it's alright? Cause you know that I've been up all damn night, telling myself it'll be fine. Pushing my problems aside. Baby, won't you tell me it's alright? Cause you know that I've been up all damn night, telling myself it'll be fine.
Okay, I don't know what to say or how.
Alright, we got one of these parts. Yeah, let's see if it fits.
Pretty mouth, he smells like pestilence. He's wrestling with thoughts to do. I eat him up, the birds can have the rest of him. He came for blood and guts, but now he feels like filling up. The early lunch he had when I woke up, still drunk at 5 to 1. I like to have my fun, I never leave him hungry. He eats and eats and eats and eats while I spend all my money. It's a joke.
Alright, well there it is. Kind of like I've made them before, right? Well, thanks to Shawn and Fashion Jackson for letting me play the music. It's probably what kept you here to the end. See you next time.